Hello everybody, today I am unboxing FMINDK2. This is our induction kit for the 1.2 litre TSI for SEAT Ibiza and Skoda Fabia. Also fits the Volkswagen Polo 1.2 TSI and 1.4 GT from 2015 onwards. So let's open it up and have a look. The most important thing in the kit, you have the instructions, but is the sticker. Get it on your car anywhere you want, 10 horsepower alone. You get a handy little printout of the barcode. You can scan the QR code or you can type in the URL. That'll take you to our website where you can type in the part number and download the instructions that you need for whatever you've bought. In this case, the INDK2. We supply everything you need for the installation in the kit. Make it as simple as possible for you. That's kind of what we pride ourselves on. Nice, easy installation, hassle-free. If you do have any problems, just give us a call. We'd love to help. Here's all your hose clamps, everything you need to connect everything up. You have a nice pipe across foam filter. Got Forge branding on it there. And a nice metal spinning to make it easy to connect up with the silicone hose and the hose clamps. And then the last piece of the puzzle, let's open this up, is the multiply, because it's got multiple layers of ply. Large bore silicone hose. So you can see the multiple layers of ply there. Large bore where we're opening it up, and a nice smooth free-flowing internals. If you want to know the benefits of why smooth and free-flowing internals are so good, you need to check out our other video on the benefits of an induction kit, and I'll explain everything in more detail there. But yeah, nice free-flowing, get that cold air in. The silicone hoses are available in 3 different colors. You've got the black one here, but we also do red or blue. You can check out the pictures of those on our website. And if you also go ahead and install something like our dump valve, which is FMINDK2, then you color match the hoses. Your engine bay is not going to just like look incredible. You're also going to get some phenomenal sound from that as well. That is pretty much everything in the kit. That is everything in the kit. It's everything you need to know. You can get the kit from ourselves or from any of our amazing distributors. If you want to support your local one, you can go on the distributors section of our website, check out who's local to you, and you can either get it from them or from us. But that is everything you need to know on this one. Be sure to leave a comment if you guys have any questions about this, or just tell us what unboxing video you want to see next, and be sure to get in contact with us if you have any problems. We're always here to help you out. Thanks.